video, to find this unknown length P, I'm going to be using the sine ratio. Okay, and the sine ratio is given with this formula: sine theta equals opposite all over hypotenuse. This is one of the trigonometric ratios that we use to either find the length of an unknown side in a right angle triangle or a missing angle. So why I'm using this sine ratio is this. You know, in every right angle triangle, we have three sides, right? We have the side that is facing the right angle, which is called the hypotenuse. And we have the side facing the given angle, which is the opposite. And the third side, which is directly underneath the right angle, is the adjacent. Okay, so if you look at this question right here, we have the opposite, we have the hypotenuse, and we have a given angle. So the right formula that fits into this question is the sine ratio, because here we have the given angle, we have to find the opposite side, and we are given the hypotenuse. Okay, so now with this understanding, let's impute in our values. Here now, theta represents 55. So we put sine 55 degree equals, the opposite here is side P, which is unknown, and then all over the hypotenuse, which is 5. At this point now, then we are going to cross multiply. So P will be equal to 5 sine 55 degree. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, I sincerely appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post any video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. Okay, so now let's find our sine value for 55. Using our calculator, it will be 5 times sine 55 is 0.8192. Now let's multiply. 5 times 0.8192 will give us P equals 4.0960. Alright, so we can choose to leave our answer in 4 decimal places, but if you check, our hypotenuse is just a whole number, so we can approximate these to become one significant figure, and doing that, P will be equal to 4 meters, and these are answer. I hope you found this very easy to understand. If you did, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and see you in my next video.